What do you have?
Hiccups.
What about the hiccups?
Right here, they're right here.
And what does it do?
And this goes up.
What's the funny word?
Yes.
What is it?
Chicken butt. I can say you a funny word.
Okay.
Dog butt. Sailor butt. Mommy butt.
Little butt.
Audrina butt.
Audrina butt.
Borrow butt.
Borrow butt. There's a borrow butt.
Borrow butt. There's Audrina butt.
There's a little butt.
Chicken butt. Pillow butt. Blanket butt. Dolly butt. Lamp butt. Lamp butt. Vanity butt. Computer butt. Bottle. Bottle butt. Computer. Another computer butt. Bed butt. Rock butt. Dog butt. See that rock butt right there?
I see it.